Stop using mayo. This stuff is gross. Into the trash. No more mayo.
This creamy chicken salad has more protein, less fat, and tastes even better. You'll need 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 celery stalk, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons red onion, finely diced, salt and black pepper to taste. In a large bowl, add the shredded chicken. Add Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard and lemon juice. Mix until creamy. Stir in chopped celery and red onion for crunch. Season with salt and pepper. Add fresh herbs if you like extra flavor. Mix everything together until well combined and creamy. This is creamy, tangy, packed with protein and perfect for meal prep. Like, subscribe and comment healthy if you want more easy high-protein recipes.